Installing the standard residential Boss unit. First, you unscrew your shower arm that's existing in your wall. Make sure the plumbing elbow is close enough to the finished tile so that our valve can screw in tightly. After your shower arm is removed, you need to snake the low voltage power supply wire through a small hole either right above or beside the plumbing elbow. Once that wire is through there and you have your connection, then you take the valve that comes with your unit. Some Teflon tape might be needed. Screw this valve into the elbow, making sure it doesn't leak before you put the cover box on. Then you have the option of using these two mounting holes to screw the cover box to the wall, or you can use silicone to just adhere it to the wall. Once the box is in place, you screw it in tight or let the glue set up, and then these cover caps go right on here. Then take your shower arm, screw that into our valve, and your installation is done.